Good morning and welcome. This is your daily outlook for the 5th of September 2014, brought to you by CommexFX. The euro declined 1.63% against the US dollar and closed at 1.2936, following the ECB's unexpected decision to cut its benchmark interest rate and loosen monetary policy even further. The ECB lowered its main lending rate to 0.05%, a record low from 0.15%, and announced a new economic stimulus program that would involve purchase of covered bonds and asset-backed securities in October. The greenback received a boost from mostly healthy US economic data, which continued to reinforce expectations that an interest rate hike may be implemented sooner than expected. The pair is expected to find support at 1.2851, and a fall through could take it to the next support level of 1.2768. The pair is expected to find its first resistance at 1.3086, and a rise through could take it to the next resistance level of 1.3238. Trading trends in the pair today are expected to be determined by the much critical second quarter GDP of the Eurozone, scheduled a few hours from now, as well as unemployment rate and non-farm payrolls data from the US, slated to release later today. The British pound fell 0.87% against the US dollar and closed at 1.6320, after the Bank of England stuck to its current loose monetary policy, despite two policymakers voting for a rate hike at the last meeting. The Monetary Policy Committee kept its benchmark interest rate unchanged at a record low of 0.5%. It further maintained the total size of its bond portfolio untouched at £375 billion, following their September policy meeting. The pair is expected to find support at 1.6243, and a fall through could take it to the next support level of 1.6176. The pair is expected to find its first resistance at 1.6422, and a rise through could take it to the next resistance level of 1.6534. Going forward, investors would pay attention to inflation expectations from the Bank of England, scheduled to be released today. The US dollar strengthened 0.52% against the Japanese yen and closed at 105.39, amid prospects of higher US interest rates after US economic data continued to be encouraging. Early morning data indicated that in Japan, foreign exchange reserve surplus expanded to $1,278 billion in August, following a surplus of $1,276 billion recorded in the previous month. The pair is expected to find support at 104.82, and a fall through could take it to the next support level of 104.31. The pair is expected to find its first resistance at 105.79, and a rise through could take it to the next resistance level of 106.24. Going forward, investors would await the Bank of Japan's monthly survey, as well as the leading economic and coincident indices data scheduled shortly. The US dollar rose 1.65% against the Swiss franc and closed at 0.9327. The pair is expected to find support at 0.9220, and a fall through could take it to the next support level of 0.9116. The pair is expected to find its first resistance at 0.9382, and a rise through could take it to the next resistance level of 0.9440. Trading trends in the Swiss franc today would be determined by Swiss second quarter industrial production, set for release in a few hours. That was our last currency pair for the day. Don't forget to check out our CommexFX affiliate program. We offer one of the most attractive and profitable IB packages in the forest industry. Stay in the know by liking us on Facebook, following us on Twitter and Instagram, circling us on Google+, and of course, subscribing to our YouTube channel. Have a nice and profitable day.